So when Chiho told me how much he spent on his case with his £500 budget, I almost took him into a dark room and attached some electrodes to his testicles. When it finally arrived, I took back all of my criticism. It looks damn amazing. It's beautiful. But I'll let you judge for yourself. It has full glass front panels and side panels. And this is the actual real glass, it's not that low quality plasticky bullshit you find on most cases. It goes well with any coloured build, if you just put the right LEDs in it. In this case we put red and blue in. This gaming build can power these beautiful curved ultra wide monitors in 1080p at really nice frames per second. So what are my thoughts on it? Well, actually it's a bit of a mixed bag here. While it looks pretty damn good, accessibility at the back is so fucking bad. And that's coming from the heart, Chiho. It's so bad. Holy shit. God forbid you need to change a damn DVI cable or unplug anything from the back. 70% of the ports on the machine, they're fully or partially completely fucking covered. The cable management, while not the worst, it is a little bit difficult because there's very little space at the back. I can only imagine what would happen if you dropped one of those heavy glass panels while you're assembling it. Having said all of this, I think that the sacrifices are actually kind of worth it. You can build a beautiful, almost silent PC in this, and it's not even that much effort. So what are your thoughts on it? What's your favourite PC case? If you liked the video, leave us a like. But I've been Naz, you've been great, and PC you later.